I'm going to give you a tour of this one, and it's going to be more detailed than the one that's currently out there on YouTube. So come along for the ride. So now we're going to start on the outside, guys. So first of all, I want to show you the shower hookup we have. So I know you guys saw me like doing my little shower thing, but this is where you would hook up for water. Like if you're coming from the beach, you can use that to get the sand off of you, or you can actually take a shower right there if you're in a nice secluded area or what have you. This is where you will hook up to power. Okay, so this is the water tank is right here. So this is where you will put your water in. Also, we have some storage down here. We have some storage right here. As you can see, you can get quite a bit of stuff in here. We got an umbrella. We got a trash can, propane tank. This is imperative if you're like me and mosquitoes love you, get one of these. And I just love to get a little pop of the mosquito once they go in there, and it's like they're dead. So you can use this for storage for whatever you need. So you can also put like your tent. We have a tent in here. We have chairs. We got napkins. We got a little bit of everything. So you can use this. So it's a lot of space that you can use for your particular storage. Like if you were doing, you know, for a cookout or whatever, you can put your cookout tent in here. You probably can even put the little folded chairs and the tables in here too. So whatever you need storage for, this is what. Kizzy is over here eating grass, y'all. Eating grass and coughing. So we gotta keep an eye on Kizzy. Okay. All right, so this is the crank to crank up the roof, to crank it up and to crank it down. All right, so we also have outside lights. We have lights here as well as up under the vehicle. We have lights on top, as you can see. We have lights all around. We have big screen TV that you can watch your sporting events. Then we have a solar panel plug-in right here. So you can plug in your solar panels right here. And then we also have an electrical outlet here. So it's two of them there. Right. And then we come to the back. This is actually named Game Time after my brother who passed away. So Game Time. He would always say Game Time, Game Time. So yes, this is paying homage to him. All right, so the final thing that I want to show you guys on the outside is this wonderful awning. So you can bring that out when you're at your sporting events or wherever. Bring that out and give you some shade. Always have an awning. Let's go on the inside. So once you step in, we have more storage. You can get in the storage two ways. You can either come this way, as Kizzy is trying to show you too. She's so filthy. She's rolled around all in the grass, okay? That's what Kizzy likes to do, stay dirty. So this is a way to get into the storage. I'm gonna show you the other way. So if you actually move the cushion, that gives you more height to it, and that way we have, like, you know, pans. We got paper towels. We got some chips in there, Ziploc bags, pots, pans, Pam, which I've been looking for this Pam, so I'm going to take this out because I remember I need to take that in the house. We have more storage on this side. This side gives you the same amount of storage as the other side. So this seat lifts up as well. So as you can see, we really don't have anything over here, but this is storage. So we're also contemplating removing this seat and putting a table here so we can have more table space. And then the table that we put here in this space will rise when we need it. So that way I can stand here and cut up my little vegetables, do what I need to do. and then it will lower when we need it. So that's what we're thinking about. So what do you think? Do you think we should put a table here, or should we keep a seat here? That's a question. So next we have a 4 stove burner here. This comes in very handy for whatever you're trying to cook. And then we also have our refrigerator here. Okay. We have more storage for you to use. Okay, so over here we have our griddle and our grill top. So if you want to take that chicken breast or that steak and put it on the grill, you got your grill right here. You got your grill right here and your griddle top. So over here is just the regular seating area. We have another table that is giving homage to our brother, Game Time, and a picture of him. Hey guys, more storage, and more storage. We have a sink here that you can open up the top, bring up your actual faucet, turn on your water there. All right, put that back down, close this. So we can't forget about this stainless steel rugged countertop here. This is the best countertop you can have. I just love the way it looks. I love the durability of it. And, you know, you got extra space to get your preparations done for your foods. Next, we're going to go to the TVs. So we got one big screen TV right here. So this TV is for the people that will be sitting outside. We usually have chairs and tables and all of those things down there so they can enjoy this TV. And then we have another TV on the inside, a smaller TV, but it works. This is usually for, because you know, the big screen TV has to play the Redskin game. Thank you. Redskins, not Commanders. Redskin game. Go on this TV. My husband likes, he's a fair weather fan. Let's just put it on out there. He really is. He jumps on whichever team is going on because he said he never has a bad year. He never has a bad football season. So on this TV would be everybody else. Oh, our fan. I almost forgot to show you the fan. So this fan has 6 settings that you can use to take some of that exhaust out. You know, like when you're cooking and it gets kind of hot, you turn that fan on to like alleviate some of that hotness. We got another fan right here. We have all LED lights there. And then we have some lighting here. Okay, this is our command center here. So this is where you can turn, as you can see, I just turned off the lights up top. So this is your command center to work your lights. So don't pay attention to this right here, because that's where the radio is supposed to go, okay, y'all? Don't pay attention to that. We're putting the radio in here. Because you know what? We always got to have our music. I always got to have my music, because y'all know, if y'all been watching me, I like to dance. That's my thing. That's my thing. So we got to put a radio in here. All right. So, with that being said, I'm wrapping up this tour. As you can see, I'm